Bridges connect us. They are essential for transportation, commerce, and daily life. But bridges are aging. Some are in poor condition. This poses a serious risk. Bridge collapses are devastating. Lives are lost. Injuries occur. Communities are disrupted. The problem is widespread. Infrastructure is aging worldwide. Many bridges need repair. The consequences of neglect are severe. We need solutions to prevent these tragedies. Inspecting bridges is crucial. Regular inspections help identify problems. Inspectors look for cracks, corrosion, and other defects. They use visual inspection techniques. They also employ tools like hammers and gauges. These methods have limitations. Human error is possible. Some defects are hidden. Inspections can be costly and time-consuming. We need more efficient and accurate ways to monitor our bridges. Artificial intelligence offers a solution. AI can analyze vast amounts of data. It identifies patterns humans might miss. AI can predict potential bridge collapses before they happen. Sensors are placed on bridges. These sensors collect data 24/7. They measure strain, vibration, and environmental factors. The data is fed into AI algorithms. AI analyzes the data for anomalies and warning signs. Machine learning is key to this process. It's a type of AI. It allows computers to learn from data. Algorithms are trained on historical bridge data. They learn to recognize patterns that indicate structural problems. Deep learning is a powerful tool. It uses artificial neural networks. These networks mimic the human brain. They can analyze complex data patterns. This enables highly accurate predictions. Section 5. Success Stories AI Saves the Day. In this section, we explore how artificial intelligence is making a significant impact in real-world scenarios, showcasing its potential to save lives and prevent disasters. Real-world examples demonstrate AI's potential. From healthcare to transportation, AI is revolutionizing various industries by providing innovative solutions to complex problems. In one case, AI detected anomalies in a bridge's vibrations. These anomalies were subtle and could have easily been missed by human inspectors. This led to the discovery of a hidden crack. The crack was located in a critical part of the structure, posing a significant risk. Timely repairs prevented a potential collapse. The intervention not only saved the bridge, but also ensured the safety of countless commuters. In another instance, AI analyzed sensor data from a bridge over time. This continuous monitoring provided valuable insights into the bridge's health. It identified a gradual increase in stress on certain structural components. This information was crucial for planning maintenance activities. This early